Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Matt is here, and in this video we're gonna talk about ends with method in Python. So for using this method, you specify a value, and this method will return true if your string ends with this value, and otherwise it will return false. So let's try it and write a string. And for using this, you need another variable called x, and you write a dot ends with. And here you can give three arguments. First one is the value. So when you write p, this check if your string ends with letter p, which is not. So next one is where you want to start your searching. We give 2, and next one is where you want to end your searching. You give 8, and you print x. Simple as that. Now let's see what you get. You get false because the string wasn't ends with p. So if you find this channel helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Till next one, peace.